Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all. And this is the second part of the chapter, The Low Spring by Anis Jung. And here is about the description of the glass bangle making factory that is in Firozabad. And it is hub for bangle making. Here is the description of the working place. How the working place is there are small huts, dark, no light is there, ventilation is there, no ventilation is there, high temperature is there, and full of smokes, lanes and hovels of disintegrating walls are there, unsteady doors are here with humans and animals. And here is the thousands of adults and 20,000 children work there, risking their eyes and health. What they all are doing, they all are working together and risking their lives. And here is the dust of polishing glass bangles adversely affect their eyes and lungs. And as you all know that working in the furnaces affect our eyes also, and to the small children it is really very much dangerous. And this was happening in the glass bangle factory of Firozabad, as it is now again visible on the board. As you can say, what is the economic condition of these ones, what is the economic condition of these ones. And here is that is very bad condition it is, and exploited by sahukars, money lenders, middlemen, politicians, policemen and bureaucrats. All the profits are begged by them, मीन टू से उनको कोई भी प्रॉफिट नहीं मिलता है, सारा का सारा प्रॉफिट उनसे ले लिया जाता है. And even workers are not allowed to form guilds or workers union and are beaten and exploited. They all are exploited by their masters, and they are compelled to lead substandard, unhealthy and deprived life. What they all are doing, they are not able to spend their life in a proper manner. And here is the possible hazards, and what the hazards are there, what the difficulties they get after this, that is the accident, loss of vision, skin burns, mental weakness, genetic problems due to exposure to the chemicals. Because whenever they are working in these furnaces, what they all are doing, they all are under the mental weakness, physical weakness, and this is all going happen with them. And here is, as it is visible on the board, here is the major character, the name Mukesh is here. What's the name? Mukesh, a child labor in family profession of bangle making at Firozabad, but he is having the different aim. And here is about the Mukesh, he is having the different aim from the others. What the others are doing, he want to become a motor mechanic, he don't want to work in the family of bangle making. He is daring, different from other young children of Firozabad who have submitted to age old miseries and traditional profession. Workers do not get even two times meal every day. They are so much poor that they are not able to get the two times meal. And Mukesh want to become a motor mechanic. He don't want to follow the family tradition. He is something different and his own master. What he want to become? He want to become his own master. He is ready to travel long way to garage. What he want to do? He want to make a garage of its own. He want to be his own master. He want to be his own master. As in the previous video, we had discussed about the Sahib Alam, that was the major character of the chapter of the first part. Okay, and here is the Mukesh, that is the major character of the second part. And my dear student, it is about the glass Bengal factory at Firozabad, and I'll share this PPT also with you. You all are informed to write the same in your notebook before starting the question answer. You all are requested to write these in your notebook, as it is just a very important matter, you can say, because this is just the description about the working place, that working place is there. So what's the condition of the working place? And here is the next point about ki how many people are working in this. And this is the third part, that what is the effect of this one. Okay, that what's the effect going on the student. And here is The next, this one also, economic condition of the people who are living in the Firozabad. What is the economic condition of the people who are living in the Firozabad? Like what they are doing, how much they are getting, what the hazards, or you can say what the problems they are facing after this thing. Okay, these are the main important points, and here is about the Mukesh character. And this one is very important, because whenever you are going to get about the Mukesh character, you can write the same only, like a child labor in family profession of this, he is daring and different from others, workers do not get even 2 times meal every day. This is just the condition, this is, you can say, the plight of these people. Okay, you all are informed to write this also. After that, in the third part, I am going to share the question answer. After the explanation of the chapter, you will get the question answer. Thank you, have a nice day.